This video will show you how to upload images for your homework and discussion assignments. We're going to use an outside website called Imager since Canvas doesn't have enough storage to hold all of the images we're going to need for this course. So once you've selected the images you want to use for your assignment, you're just going to open a new tab for Imager, imgur.com, and click on the New Post button. You can either drag and drop images from your computer or just click on the Choose Photo Video option. Once you've found the photo that you want to use, you can either click on it once and then hit Open, or just double click to open the image. Sometimes it takes a while for the images to upload, usually when you have a very large file size. So you may want to resize the photo before you upload it to Imager. Now, we're not going to use either of these buttons in the top right. What actually works best to get the photo onto Canvas is to right-click anywhere on the image and then go down to Copy Image Address. We're not going to go to Copy Image. Strangely enough, what works is Copy Image Address. So once you've done that, you can go back into your homework module and scroll down to the reply bar, and then we're just going to right click and paste the image. If you have more images that you want to add, or if you have text that you want to add, you can just hit enter and type anything after that. And if you want to add another image, you just go back to Imager, go to add more images, choose photo video, and here's the next image I want to add. Remember, you right click, copy image address, and then in your homework assignment, you right click and paste. Okay, the last thing you'll do is post your reply.